Welcome back. In this video I will show you how you can add a signature line in Word. First you need to click on the View tab and click on the ruler radio button. Make sure ruler should be on and then head to the Insert and click on the signature line. Click on the Microsoft Office signature line and then type the suggested signer. For example, here is the title and click OK to proceed. So if you want to add another signature line on the right side of the paper, for this you need to put a add stop and then double click on the left tab, adjust the tab stop position and click on the right and click OK. And now move the tab position to the right side and then press the tab to move to the right side and then click on the insert and click on the signature line and again fill the suggested signer. For example, click OK to proceed and here it is. You can see that the both signatures have been added in a cleanest way. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.